Hello, my name is Sid, and I'm going to introduce to you a tool that I have in my workshop, and I think most everybody needs a pair of pliers like this in their shop, especially if you live on a farm or ranch. These are fence pliers. It's a very unique tool. I don't use it very often, but when I do, I'm glad I have it. If a tool is only used once and it pays for itself right then, it's very useful. First of all, this tool is made by Crescent Tool Company, but I think most any kind of tool company have their version of this, so you could go to Amazon or go to Lowe's or HomeDepot.com and look it up. Online they're about $20 to $30 depending on whether it has plastic or rubber for the handles. This does not, and this tool can be used for at least 4 different reasons. Number one, it's a hammer. You can see right here, here's the hammering surface. So you're out in the farm, you got a post, you got a fence that's a little bit loose. You can pull that fence around and use the hammer part to tack it back in place. It's also a fence puller, so you have this hook area in the back end. It's kind of handy to be able to pull that fence. Like this piece here, you would grab it and pull it. There it is. And then also this tool is a wire cutter. Right here and right over here you have slots, and you could cut wire with that. So let's see if we could do it on this piece of fence right here. There you go. Look at that. Very easy to use. I'd rather use these with a pair of gloves than using barbed wire by hand perhaps. Anyway, you could also cut wire with this, and then also it's a pair of pliers. So look right here. There's teeth right here. If you look very closely, you can see the teeth right in this area. And then also way up in here, there's some teeth in the upper part, right in through here. And there's no teeth here. But what you do is you want to pull your wire, your barbed wire, your fence wire. You take your wire and grab it on the front, and you can pull it, just like I'm doing with this. Anyway, very useful tool. Check it out, and thanks for watching my presentation. If this has come in handy, look for other videos in my listing of videos on Dr. Stewart Productions. Please share, please subscribe, and I wish you the best what you do this summer. Take care.